Hey buddy, it's John with Upstate Brush Control. We're here in the shop today. We got the two ASV rt120s. Gonna be doing some maintenance on them. We got Mike over here. And Willie. Let's actually, Willie, I need to do the AC on this one. So if you want to start with the cabs on that one. So we're going to it's raining outside, so we're going to be doing some oil changes, filter changes on this one, hydraulic. This one we're just gonna lift the cab, drop the pans, and clean it out. I want to clean out the Fecon, just get it all tidied up in there. We need to sharpen these teeth. Let's see here. We need to swap teeth on that cutter head. Yeah, it's definitely raining. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but this machine you know, we just go through and it's kind of hard to see, but starting to get some debris down in there. So it's got belly pans in it, so we'll drop those belly pans and blow all that debris out, lift the cab up. This bar right here, we're gonna take that off and just make sure every now and then you get a stick stuck in there or something like that. Just make sure it's all clean and working properly. But probably a month or so ago, I had the AC go out in this one, and I thought it was like a branch or something like that came up in here and punctured a hole in the bottom of the condenser. Got a new condenser, put it in like a week later, not even that. I jarred the machine really hard on like a rock or something, or like a stump or something like that, and it blew again. And what had happened, the fan that goes up in there, it shredded the bottom of the condenser. So something is not right with the fan up there. The blades are all missing and stuff, and so these little pusher fans up there, this goes underneath like that to help keep it clean and keep it cool. So these little dudes are expensive, very expensive. So like one of them, the blades are all shot and stuff. So gonna be putting those on. Got the new condenser in here, put that in. We got our filters and stuff. So we're going to get to it and start taking off this AC condenser. So it's got a couple bolts here in the top. This is like a protector, helps, you know, tree or something like that comes up, skids up off the top here. So get this guy first. Mike, could you grab this? Thanks. There you go. Give me a, I think it's a 7/16. Brand spanking new. Alright, so here's what happened. So here's the little pusher puller fans. As you can see, that happened. I don't know how or why. I was driving the machine and I know nothing went up in it. But something caused it to break or whatever. But actually, now that I look at this is where, see that little hole right there on this guard? That's where the other one broke. Or this is where the leak was on the other condenser that I just bought, or the old one. But there's the bottom of it. Chewed it up pretty good. So I'll finish getting this thing off of here and start putting the new one back together. So I just got the cab lifted up off this one, and she's full. She is full for sure. So all this stuff, just that stuff right there, and look at this down here. Fire hazard right there. So we'll get it all blown out, cleaned off, and look at that. This machine we run the Blackhawk a lot in, and the Blackhawk tends to kick up, get a lot more debris built up around the cab. When we lift up this one, we'll kind of compare it, but this is the new 120 that runs the Blackhawk a little bit more. I don't know why, it just does, but
Do I need to take the side panels off?
yes. Yeah, we should probably take those off and check them. Make sure the grease is... What? All right, we Willie's been working away here. Me and Josh may or may not have ran out, and we had to bring a truck back, and may have bought something, but check it out, not the dirt bike, that's Willie's. Hot water pressure washer. Been wanting one of these babies for a long time. Our hose bib out here is like the worst pressure ever. It's pretty terrible. Nothing fancy, you know, just...
It's pretty fancy. What are you talking about? Nothing fancy.
Okay, they have
a North Star Honda, baby.
Compared to this bad boy.
Oh yeah, look at that thing. We got that at Walmart.
Walmart special. That thing's like a Taj Mahal right there.
Nothing fancy.
Cadillacs.
This thing here, we did a storm cleanup down in Florida with Hurricane Irma, and buddy Levi, he went to Walmart and bought that, and I commandeered it. But anyways, we're making good progress. So rain's supposed to be stopped around noon, and we'll back these babies out and pressure wash them down. So yeah, Micah went up to go get some teeth. got that put back together. I should be, look at this. Look at this. One wire. I hope that works. Seriously? Let's get this thing put back together. We just got to get this out to the shop to get it AC recharged. But I hope that wire works.
What?
Can you hand me the condenser right there, Josh?
Not this one?
Yeah, it's right. Yep.
You know, some days I love my job.
I thought that was every day, man.
No, some days I love it extra, you know?
Extra love.
Extra love for it.
Each people how much fun you have underneath there.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
So this is what it's like under here. You know, I pulled a lot of that buildup down already, but coming down here, it's pretty dirty. You know, all that stuff will come down and blow out. You know, just the fun stuff. And we got a little plate there and a little plate there, and then the two right there. That one's missing. We broke some bolts on that, and I don't know if it just fell off or if we kept it off. The new 120 has another one right here, and it makes getting all stuff that builds up down here a lot easier. So that was a good design change that they did. But I'm gonna get those off, those couple of plates off, and then start blowing it out.
So I just got this put in there real quick. Getting the rest of these bolts in. there we go. Completed. Put back together. We just got to run up to the shop and get whatever it's called. Make it cold.
Not Freon.
Not Freon, yeah. Sorry, people. Sorry. But she's done. That one's pretty much ready to be backed out and blown out. And we're gonna let it stop raining here a little bit. But this one, lift the cab on it, change the oil and the filters.